Hi, today I'd like to show you how to set up recurring payables invoices. First of all, let me just demonstrate. We'll go into AP or periodic processing, create a recurring payables batch, pick a date. Let's pick this date and process. Tells me 4 invoices were created. And that's all there is to it. They're now in a payables batch waiting for you to post and processed in your normal payment process. The reason I suspect it created 4 is because they're weekly invoices. Let me show you how to set those up. Schedules are created first. Once the schedules are created, you don't have to touch them again. Those are done in common services. Let's walk through setting up a recurring payable. First thing you do is you go into the recurring payables icon in AP vendors, right here. You can use any code you wish. We have a few called equipment in here, so I'm going to create another one under equipment. You pick a vendor. And I'm going to call, describe it as computers, schedule, start date, and we'll give it 24 months. Then we go into the details section and pick a distribution code. There's one. If there's tax on this transaction, then you'll have to go into the taxes tab. You'll see that it's set up for tax and it's calculated tax. We add that. Now that that's there, when you run your recurring invoices, like I showed you before, it will automatically include that if you include the equipment code. Let's just run the recurring payables for May and make sure that the payable we set up got in there. Again, AP periodic processing, create recurring payable batch. Let's go to equipment. There's the one that we created. Remember now that this is going to create invoices for everything in that code, not just the one we set up. I've got the run date set here to May the 1st. Now, if you've already run this for the month, it won't duplicate any that have already been run. Six invoices. Let's go in and have a look at those. There we go. All the invoices for May have been done. And there's the one that we set up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Thank you.